kami punta ng airport, dumaan muna kami dito sa Park and Fly para i-check-in ang ating mga sasakyan kasi mas mura siya kayo sa mag-rent ng van going to the airport. Booking is done online and you just need to present your ID. So, andito na ang ating shuttle. Park and Fly shuttle going to the airport. We're gonna go to the airport now. We are boarding, and with Daddy. So, let's go. During our flight, nanalo si Mia sa isang mga palaro ng Cebu Pacific. And aside from that, she was also given an early birthday gift. What's that? It's your birthday. Say thank you. Where are you going?
Coron, Palawan.
Thank you. And we're here na in Coron.
Hello.
Hello. Oy.
Hello.
Oh, the laters.
Welcome to Coron.
We're in Coron right now. Yeah, and we need to pay first the environmental fee. How much Rex environmental fee? 200 adult. Sa kids?
Less than 10 years old is 100.
Okay. The airport transfer kasama sa booking namin with Zuri, and paglabas ng airport, meron mag-a-assist.
Zuri Resort! Zuri!
So, andito na po yung sundo natin. We're gonna load our things and we're gonna go. That's our thing. Let's go to Zuri!
Welcome to Coron, Palawan.
Zuri!
Zuri Hotel.
And for our complimentary drinks. Cheers, Rex! Cheers! Sa akin pa.
Apat na po.
Ayan, thank you.
Is it free?
Yeah. After checking in, pupunta naman tayo sa ating magiging room for 3 nights. 130, our room. So, yan. And this is the family room here at Zuri. So, bunk bed siya. It's so taas! Yung bunk bed niya. Are you okay there? And this is the outside.
Kanay.
Yeah. This is the outside. This is the view. Now, let us go to the... Uy! Lalagyan daw nila ng kanyan, ng brace, para hindi daw mahulog yung mga bata. And then, we're gonna go to the bathroom. This is the bathroom. As you can see, hello, bathroom. And then, that's the shower. Yay! Room tour down. So we're here at Lobster King. We're gonna have our lunch. Eating time. Yummy, yummy. Eating time. After na namin kumain, nandito ng ating van for our city tour that is care of Kuya Dodong, and our first destination is...
Welcome to the Souvenir Shop.
Dito naman ang entrance para sa Souvenir Shop. Malapit lang siya sa Zuri Hotel at dito na rin kami bumili ng mga pasalubong. Although, medyo pricey siya pero at least marami kang pagpipilian. So, happy shopping everyone!
Welcome to the Cashew Factory. Coron, Palawan.
We're here at Melb's Cashew Factory. We're gonna go for a tour on how to make a cashew. This way.
Taliwas nga sa iniisip namin, maliit lang pala itong Melb's Factory and they do manual labor. Konti lang din yung mga tao nila. So everything starts with this tree and then after that, they're gonna dry it. After ma-dry, they're gonna chop it and then after ma-chop, they're gonna remove yung balat niya. After ma-remove yung kanyang mga balat, they're gonna cook it with different flavor. And after that, we're gonna have a free taste.
So, ito po yung kanilang mga tester. Anong masasabi mo? Ang the best? The spicy at ano yung isa?
Spicy at
with langka. Oh, with langka. Ito sir, hindi mo tikman. Meet Tita Melbs. Siya si Ma'am Melbs. Kayo po ba yun? Yun pala. Tama hula nila. Thank you.
Welcome to Maquinit, Hotspring, in Coron, Palawan!
At ito nga ang ating last destination para sa ating city tour. At ito nga ang entrance at dito na rin tayo magbabayad.
This is Souvenir Shop sa Maquinit. So, ito yung papasok sa Maquinit. Ang entrance fee nila is 150 sa bata. Sa adult is 300. And here, may hut sila. They have dressing room. They have toilet dun sa entrance. And this is the spring itself. Come on.
We're in Taloktok!
Taloktok. Maquinit. See, show me where. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, don't go. Oh, go na, go.
We're going. Ooh, it's hot.
Mia, doon sa Bacon. Yeah, that's why it's a hot spring.
No, guys!
And Daddy, anya, mayat. Napudot.
My face is burning. My face is burning.
This is for the kids.
It's hot.
Hot spring nga eh.
Daddy, ayaw mo? It's not hot. DJ, I promise not. It's not hot. Look, DJ, look. DJ, look in the water there.
Jump, jump!
And to end our day, nag-dinner kami dito sa Umami Kusina and here's the menu. Ito na nga ang ating mga pinaluto, fish in red curry and also fish in gata. We also had chicken para sa mga kabataan. And as you can see, pagod na ang lahat. So we had a quick dinner. Then after our quick dinner, we decided to go to the hotel and have a rest. Happy morning everyone! At bago natin simulan ang ating panibagong araw dito sa Coron, of course, kailangan muna natin ang ating breakfast. And here is a tour of the breakfast buffet here at Zuri Hotel. Enjoy! kumain, i-check naman natin itong kanilang sari-sari store. Let's go! Another activity na magagawa natin sa Coron ay ang pag-akyat dito sa Mount Tapyas. But then, di siya kaya ng mga matatanda, so si Rex na lang umakyat. So here is the view. Habang umaakyat naman si Rex sa Mount Tapyas, andito yung mga kabataan at nag-chill. Pero of course, mas gusto nila ang mag-swimming.
This is Zuri. Gosong. Okay. Whee! Whoa.
And that's it for today. See you sa ating island tour.